students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, for event E, if probability of E is 0.25, then probability of E dash. So to solve this question, we need to know total probability theorem. Total probability theorem is like probability of happening of event A plus probability that event A is not happening is 1. So probability of E dash is actually 1 minus probability of E. Probability of E is given as 0.75. So 1 minus 0.75 will be 0.25. So probability of E dash is 0.25. The correct answer will be B option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.